guys, welcome back to our channel One Two Step. In this video I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can download your Flybuys app. So first of all, you need to be in your browser and just type in Flybuys download, and you can see many options over here. You can click on any one. Just tap on this one, the second link, and wait for it to load. So you can either download it in Google Play over here. After you tap on this one, you'll be able to download it through Google Play, or if you have an iOS, you can just tap in this Flybuys on the App Store link over here. Then you can download it through App Store. So guys, that's how you download Flybuys app. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop a comment down below. And if you want more videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching. Hope this video was helpful for you.